Black Red pass to America. Black Panther. Lapit na pala bola. Cyrus, lapitin na bola. Tap the shit for a three. Little bit again. Pass to number three. Number three, leading by the ball. Down it pass to Cyrus. Cyrus for the long three. Little bit. Rebound by the big man. Down it to Balzo. Pass to Hayes, 84. No Balzo for long. Okay, rebound by the big man inside. They're good. Number 7, one. Cyrus back to 84. Pull out a shot. It's not good. Rebound by Cyrus. Pass to Davis. Back to Tony on the cross. Daddy. One down the cross. We're getting the pass at Danny inside. Pass to the teammate. And we have the back. First one's there again. Rebound by the small man. Not right next to the ball. Here's the ball. Pass to Christian number 1. Top of the day ball out. Pass to number 1. Slide. Real. Guarded by the high. Pass to the big man. Stand by Daddy. Daddy out the ball. Pass inside. Back to Cyrus. Cyrus leaving that. Cyrus the pass is short. Okay. Rebound by number 3. Pass to number 7. Sometimes over Carlos. Saul. The shot. Black by Saul Martello. So we're trying to go to the left. Black top is we're going to bring the ball past the Red Peppers. From the long three. Black Panther for the ball. Rose up from the inside. He's out of the defense. Number 1 on the play for 5. And we're all by Silver again. Pass to Mark, they rest. Mark, the way up his head. Number 1, bring on the ball. Pass to Gerson, number 4. Pass to Sugar, number 3 from the long ball. No good. Rebound by the high. Pass to Saul. Cyrus. Cyrus and Warwick Pingris. Guarded by Meneses. Warwick interrupt by Meneses. Meneses tap. We have a foul. Well done. Pass to the team in there. Papa Sain Vincent. Nakola. Silver again, bringing the ball. Silver again. Boston Warwick. Alice there by Montana. Pass to number 9. Shot. And we have a foul. This one is not good. The second one is good. Miller. The veterans bringing the ball. Pass to Tony Iyer. And we have a foul. Miller pass to Cyrus Pagos. Cyrus. Pass to the Black Ram on the long ball. Pass to the teammate. Number 9 to break their shot. So good. Bringing the ball. Pass to Miller. Miller will pass to Warwick Pingris. That last spider inside. Black. Black spider winner for the ball. We got out of the ball. Bang! That's a very shot. Boy, goodness. Cyrus bringing the ball. Miller. Just the ball right here. Rest back. Miller passes Danny on the ball. Danny using the body. He goes Danny inside. That's the power of Lakay. Jerry goes down. Passes for Green Buggies for the long ball. No good. Miller is hard to the ball. Miller. Luceris. Baggio. He goes. Pass inside. Carlos will pass the break. Pass to Miller. Buggies are out of the ball. Buggies still laying up his head. Buggies. Black Spider up and down the ball. Black Spider bringing the ball. Return break. Jordan back on the line. Inside. Back outside the big man. Nominee inside Black. Pat Sanders is there.
Score.
Montana. Pass number 13. The fake shot. Back off the second line. Defense. Menezes for the long ball. No good. Good right back. There. Back to Black Spider. That's there. There's a ref. Up and down the ball.
Diyan si Logan.
Yes, center. He's our official scorer. Miller pass to Ryan Arroyo. 15 to shoot. Cyrus inside. Cyrus, the shot, no good. Rebound by Menezes. There's Eagle. One is head push in. Pass to Buggies. Yes, we have a trail. Buggies passages number 1. Very wide. Number 1, pass to Menezes. Menezes, pop pass over the defense line. What a pass. A communication to the teammate. Miller of the down ball off for PBA. Miller, where the one. Miller. 1-1. Miller inside. 1 and a defense. Rich Nagy. Menezes in the ball. Menezes. Pass to Doggy. Pass to the hit down to Marina Richard. Miller with ball away from the ball. Miller good for the line. Miller is trying to the ball. Miller 4 points. We're paid by Bobby. Bobby also going to get that defense. He goes on the Black. That we have a foul. First one snags on that one. The second free throw is good.
Hindi po ito.
Akan driven the ball. Pass to Weller. The veterans. Weller, he won the defense on his side. Okay, a few points. Number 1, driven the ball. Number 1, guarded by Willie. Pass to Doggy. Doggy. Pass to number 7. Tap to shoot. Pass to the veterans. Number 1 for the long 3. Okay, rebound by Big and sipping. Last 50 seconds.
Aranya.
Aranya to Miller. Miller got him in Black.
Block.
Number 9. Pass to number 9.
37 seconds.
Both teams are in the penalty. Seconds. Number 8 is high. It's good. 21 seconds. 15 seconds. Number 7. Pass to number 1. Maybe down on the last. No good.